Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see a new type of integration form, that is integral of linear equation upon under root of quadratic equation. Let us start with problem number 3. Integral 2x plus 1 upon under root 5 minus x square dx. Here you can see in the numerator we have a linear equation, that is 2x plus 1. And in the denominator we have a quadratic equation placed inside a square root, but the substitution remains the same that we have seen in the previous videos. That is, we are going to write numerator 2x plus 1 as a into derivative of quadratic equation, that is 5 minus x square plus b. 2x plus 1 is equal to a into derivative of 5 will be 0, derivative of x is 1, minus derivative of x square is 2x plus b. On further solving, we have 2x plus 1 as a into minus 1 minus 2x plus b. This will give you 2x plus 1 as minus a minus 2ax plus b. Now let us rearrange this term, writing the x part first. We have minus 2ax followed by minus a plus b, and on the left hand side we have 2x plus 1. Therefore, on comparing, you can see the coefficient of x here is minus 2a, and here the coefficient of x is 2. Therefore, a will be minus 2 upon 2, that will give you minus 1. On the right hand side we have constant as minus a plus b, and here we have plus 1. Substituting a as minus 1, this will give you minus of minus 1 plus b is equal to 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1 plus b is equal to 1. Therefore, b will be 1 minus 1, that will give you 0. Now I will substitute the values of a and b in this expression. 2x plus 1 will be equal to value of a is minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2x plus b is 0. The given integral I was 2x plus 1 upon under root 5 minus x square dx. Here we can substitute 2x plus 1 as minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2x plus 0 can be neglected upon under root 5 minus x square dx. Taking minus outside, we have minus 1 minus 2x upon under root 5 minus x square dx. Here you can see minus 1 minus 2x is the derivative of this quadratic equation. It means this integral is present in the form of integral f dash x upon root f of x. And in the previous videos also we have clearly seen that its result is 2 root f of x plus c. Therefore, the final answer of I will be minus 2 into under root f of x is 5 minus x square plus c. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.